Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing, or not the unboxing, I've been using it and I haven't shot the unboxing stuff, but the review of the new tech kit. Basically it's a pouch, it's a huge pouch, and it's a tech accessory kit. We call it as tech accessory kit, and I have my multiple accessories in that kept, and my wife gave me a gift. So thank you so much, wifey. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, here I'm back, another video. Tech kit. As you can see, cables, adapters. What is this? iPad, I believe. So this is the tech kit, guys. As you can see, it's a pouch. It has a handle like this. It has two chains, like one with two here, one with two here. I opened it. So let's open the first section. It is very good. Material is very good actually. And I have kept all my things. So I have a pen here. I have a dongle here. Earphones. See, there are multiple sections. 1, 2. These are the hooks. There is a chain here. I have all my pen drives and card readers in this. Then there is a chained section over here, and this vents, like this type of meshy material is given so that there is an airflow. These are my lenses, guys. I just kept it here. All the cables I have: type C to type C, type A to type C, type micro USB to type C. This is a small dongle which my office gave me for type C to HDMI and USB. It's a combined dongle, sorry. So this section covers like this, and generally I keep it all these things. I also keep my hard disk in this. I am using it currently, so I removed it. And in the next section is a bigger section, guys. There is a pouch over here, big chain, and I have some cables. I don't have much stuff, so I kept some cables and some other stuff. I have my bike keys also in this, extra bike keys. And this is the interesting stuff actually, guys. If you see the width, actually it's very big. This is for the tablet section. Actually, you can keep your tab. 11-inch iPad would easily fit in this. It's a 11-inch pouch approximately, and you have these velcros. So as you can see, these are removable, so you can adjust it as this is the cleaner, lens cleaner. So you can adjust it. You can remove the strap. You can use the full space if you want to keep a headphone or something, or you can just do the partitioning like this. Now this section is all yours. You have a partition like this, and then you can place anything you want. So I don't have much stuff, so I did not keep it. What are these? I think some dust. Okay, anyway, so I generally keep my gadget cleaner in this section. Actually, I keep my charger in this section, not gadget cleaner. Gadget cleaner goes here. This I can just adjust it like this here. This comes here, and I generally keep my laptop charger because I don't need this laptop charger. I generally connect to a type C monitor, so it charges automatically. So I keep my charger like this, and then I close it. So this is what I use this for. I also have my microphone. Sometimes I keep it in this, sometimes I keep it somewhere else on my table. So there are multiple use cases for this pouch. This is a tech kit, guys. You can call it a pouch, you can call it a gadget carrier, you can call multiple names, but this is a very good quality tech kit. Basically the material is very good. As you can see, this material is very good, and it has multiple sections, multiple customizable places. Here you can customize as per your devices and gadgets, and here also you can keep multiple things as per your own wish. You don't need to worry about anything. So that's it for this video, guys. This is a short video for this kit, and chains are very, very, very smooth. Generally chains, some of the pouch chains are not that good, but this is a very good overall tech kit. So if you want this is a bigger kit. If you don't have that much gadgets, you can go for this, a small pouch. This is, as you can see, I keep my power bank in this. I keep the cable here and keep the power bank here. So these I have only two sections here. One is this and one is this. So this is small, easy to carry. If you want to go with this, you can go with this. This you get it for I think 200 or something. 150, 200 you will get it in the market. And this big one, I think you can get it for 600 or 700 as per the price variations. During the sale it might even go down. So that's it for this video, guys. These are the gadget tech kits which I generally use, and I wanted this to be shared with you all so that you can also organize all your cables and adapters and whatnot. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys loved this video, and I hope if at all you purchase one, it would be very helpful, and that would suffice all your needs of the gadget organizer. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. It's a very useful product, guys. All my it was a mess actually before I had this. All my wires, all my pen drives, all my cables were tangling around here and there in my drawer, etc. But after I got this, all are well organized in one pouch, and I just reach out to that pouch if I need anything, literally anything. So I have my hard disk, you saw, right? I have my hard disk in that. I have multiple cables, micro USB, type C, USB to USB. I have my card reader in that. I have my pen drives, I have my dongles, so many things. Even in fact, my laptop charger, as you saw already, my laptop charger is also in that. So that's one of the best gift which my wife gave me, and thank you so much again for that. And for the channel, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next video. Stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much.